Kara, how many last sons did Krypton actually have?
Relax, these are just his dumb robot guards. Hey there, tall, tin, and gruesome. It's Cousin Kara. Ow! Huh. This one must have a loose circuit or something. Just gonna take a quick look-see. Okay, which one of you glorified coffee makers is next?
Gotta say, not impressed.
Where's Supergirl?
She's over here, gang. Good news, she got what we came for. Ta-da! Told you we'd be in and out.
Kara had already finished the mission.